Well, if you live here in Broome County, there's not too many properties that are all perfectly flat.
Not many.
Everybody inherits slopes
For sure.
around here. So, front foundation plantings, quite often we end up having this sloping and pitching downhill on the corners.
Right.
And we have a couple of solutions here.
Sure. And this first project was one of yours, and this was a new construction, so there was never any planting there. There was just preliminary site grading from the building of the home. So why don't you tell me about that wall a
So
little bit?
we built a really wide swinging retaining wall around to build this up, and it took away some of the foundation look visually, and was able to build up a little higher so you could somehow hide the electric box and all. And a lot of times what that does is it corrects some drainage issues too, so that it gets the water to flow away properly from the house.
Sure, sure.
And you have another one here that you did.
Yeah, in contrast to a new construction, this had an existing retaining wall that was made of natural stone, and it was too short, it was leaning, it was just failing. So we took out the wall, we took out the planting, and we were able to put in a new retaining wall that came out a little bit further and just kind of disappears into the bank really nice like that.
And again, it solves some of the drainage issues by pitching the water away, so the water doesn't run right down along the foundation around the corner and erode the soil.
Right. It's graded so that it goes right out into the front yard instead of right along that foundation. So whether you're trying to create a brand new retaining wall in bed or you're looking to kind of retrofit an existing project, give us a call. Thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.